would like to share and express my thoughts throughout the 3 months journey of the DP. So in the 3 months that we spent with the DP Kids program, there were so many lessons that I learned. Every time that we gathered every night and every Saturday, we discovered new words about life in God's Word. This 3 month journey is not all about listening and reading. It will also help us to enhance our skills in speaking, expressing our own thoughts, or making a reflection about the topic that is being discussed during that day. It also has a good benefits for everyone, especially kids nowadays. Even though the other kids are very young and still having a hard time to understand, yet they're still willing to learn and listen to the words of God. This kind of program can also help them to enhance and boost their confidence since they're still young. I am so grateful for everything that this event is happening today, and I would also like to say my sincere gratitude to the sponsors of this event because they are one of the reasons why this event became successful, especially to At Ayen, who did a very great job with her efforts and hardship, and has a full support to teach us and give knowledge, especially to the younger generation. And lastly, to our beloved heavenly parents, who always guide us and support us, who have brought us this far. And that's all I can say. Thank you so much.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul.
Please lead us
His
in your opening prayer.
sing like never before.
Nagpasalamat ko kay naayon akong ubo. Nagpasalamat ko kay nawala na akong hangin-hangin.
Unsa man ang hangin-hangin? Panuot.
Ganon.
Nagpasalamat ko kay tagaan kong nanay ice cream.
Yay! Good job! Good job, Silsi. Bato, pick.
Bato, kagay lang.
Huwag ka murag si Christina ginidaog.
Bato lagi.
Sayaw!
Sayaw!